Hello guys, welcome to a Mobi YouTube channel. If you are an iPhone user, then you might face camera not working issues. So before going to service center, here are some solutions to fix your iPhone camera which is not working. Here in the first method, just open your camera app, and if it don't works, then just force the camera app to close by clearing the app from background, and then again open the camera app. If it works then fine, and if not, then use method 2. Here in the second method, if your iPhone camera is stuck, then just take your device and hit volume up button, then volume down button, and then hold the power button until Apple logo is shown. After that, just put your password to start your iPhone. If this method won't work for you, then you can use the third method. Here in the third method, just open your device settings, then go to General, then go to the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Here click on the Reset option, and then select the Reset All Settings option. This will reset your device settings. Here in the fourth method, just open your device settings, then go to General option, then check for the software updates. If update is there, then install it in your device, or you can use the last method. Here in the third method, just download any fix from description and connect your iPhone via USB, then hit Repair Now option, then hit Start Now and choose Standard Repair, then hit Download Now option, and it will take some time to download the files. After that, hit the Start System Repair option and your device repair starts. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have any query.